This is what my tenants left me. Yes. They didn't leave me a bad cleanup, but I'm about to transform this bathroom to the way that I like it. And you guys are going to see the results. I'm about to transform my bathroom on a budget. And if you see the prices, baby, I made this thing work. And it was way cheaper going to get it than collecting this fashionista online. Well, I've searched all on the internet for everything for my fashionista look for the bathroom, you know what I mean? And they don't have any. So I am going to design my own poster for my bathroom, baby. That's the artist in me. Stay tuned. Just designed this for the bathroom. Yes. It's looking good. It's gonna look good when I get it. I'm gonna get it poster size. Went and got my frame. Waiting for my stuff from Walmart. I'm excited, and I hope you're going to check it out and see what's happening. So, add me. It's going to look good. I'm excited. I'm sitting here working on the frame so that I can put my poster in that I designed for my bathroom. I am excited because I looked online and I didn't find anything to match my little theme. The glamorous, got the little roses, the nail polish, and such with the, you know, the shoe. I thought it was too cute. Then I went and got all the accessories. But only thing was missing, like I said, was the poster. So I had to create my own. Got it right there from Walmart. So the frame was about 15. This deposit was 15, so it was about 30 bucks project.
Going to the mailbox, you just stand up to see if I can see you.
Oh. Okay, yeah, just let me. Oh God. Anyways. I'm excited. Thank you, Walmart, for helping me get my project done. I wasn't worried about my resolution due to the fact, you know, it's just a simple product. But as you guys can see, ta-da! So, I mean, the nail polish isn't like the nail polish or whatever, so whatever, but I'm going to put this in the frame. And y'all see exactly what it looked like in a few minutes. Some people are interested and some aren't, but I can relay my piece inside my frame. I am so excited to anything DIY, really. I've always been that type of artist in my life. I come from a family of artists, so I guess it's in a girl's blood. Okay. Flatten it out. About to put that baby in. Alright. Fastening it back up. I'm excited to get this project done. You have no idea. send it in. I'm going to lift it up. I got that the correct way. And you guys look. Voila. I mean, they're glamour. Of course, because I don't want to be dealing with no copyright, no bull-ish. I mean, their glamour is like that. My glamour is like this. They got a shoe, I got a shoe. I added a little bit more glamorous stuff in it, but you guys get the idea. You'll see the end product. Yes, you will. I'm putting the shower curtain hooks on there. Aren't they just adorable? I'm talking about adorable. Whew. I've been slaving, but you guys, I gotta show you. It's so worth it. Are you ready? Yes. Yes. Okay, you guys. Ta-da! Oh yeah, baby. Yes. This is the transformation. As you guys can see. Yes. Got it going on. Yes, baby. I'm happy. I'm loving my transformation. I'm loving my homemade picture that I made to go with it. You know, the glamour part isn't exactly like the glamour part. But baby, I got the stars in it. Got the shoe, a better looking shoe to me. I got more nail polish, okay? Honey, I got it going on. And I'm loving it. I'm loving the whole thing. And did I show y'all my toilet seat, baby? Anyway. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it.